Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, we have a special collaboration and it's called Wreaths Galore, and I am so excited. Now this is being hosted by the Grace Life DIY home decor and crafting in Mimi's World. Now we also have some beautiful co-hosts, and that is At Home with Lisa, Creations by Simone, Annalise Cupboard, Marilyn's Cozy Lifestyle, and Buckeye Girls Recent Things. Now remember, as in all collaborations, we practice YouTube etiquette. Okay, now let's head on over here to what I'm doing. So most of the items that I'm using to create these crafts did come from the Dollar Tree. Okay, now the only thing I'm using here that's different is that white deco mesh. It also feels different than the normal deco mesh. It is beautiful. So this I did purchase at Michael's. Now what an awesome time I'm having putting these items together, because I absolutely love candy corn. This was such an awesome theme. Now as I'm wrapping this deco mesh around that styrofoam wreath that I purchased at Dollar Tree, I'm using the zip ties. You can also use chenille stems, but we're going to go all the way around with that and then move on to the next step. Now, did you know that every time you click that like button and full watch a video, this helps me to grow? And commenting below just lets me know how you're enjoying the video. Now that wreath is looking beautiful just as it is all in white. Now the Dollar Tree does carry this buffalo check ribbon, and so we're going to go in between those poofs with that ribbon. So I'll see you at the end of that. Now make sure and head on over to my community tab, because there every month I post a calendar of open invitation collaborations for everyone to enjoy. Now this is the fun part for me. I usually love embellishing, so I have a bag filled with leaves and some of these greenery. I don't even know where they came from, but they were in my bag, and we're going to go ahead and utilize them now. Now this ribbon right here was thrifted and it's burlap. So I decided to go ahead and make the bow to embellish with this burlap ribbon, which is absolutely beautiful, and go ahead and embellish that also with the greenery. So let's see how this turns out. Now I am going to zip tie that bow down, so this wreath is pretty secure. We're going to poof out the buffalo check ribbon, and then on the side there you see a garland of candy corn that I found at the Dollar Tree Plus section. So I grabbed 2 bags of those, and I'm just having a ball with it right now. We're going to finish embellishing this wreath, and then we're going to head on over to the reveal. Now look how beautiful that is. I think it came out gorgeous. That's hanging in my door. Let's go over to the reveal. I am absolutely in love with this wreath and how it came out, and I cannot get over that candy corn theme. It's just absolutely beautiful. Now here we have that garland that I was talking about that I'm using. And in between that, I don't know, this needs to be filled in. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna add some greenery, we're gonna add some leaves and make it more fall-like. So let's see how this turns out. Okay, now here, see how nice and full this is looking? Absolutely loving it. Let's head on over to the reveal. And I decided to display this for you over my lantern. Now, if you guys don't know Nala by now, she is in everything. Look at her. I don't know, she's such a cutie. Since I was in love with that white mesh, I decided to go ahead and make a candy corn vase. And so let's see how this turns out. Now I had a little bit of these pieces from that garland, and so we're going to go ahead and embellish that vase with it and then add some florals. I think that vase came out so beautiful. So now it's time to add the florals. And I'm also adding a ribbon to this vase just to make it more cute. Let's head on over to the reveal, guys. Now I think all of these pieces came out absolutely gorgeous. I love this candy corn theme, and I hope that you guys do too. I also want to thank the hosts, Crafting in Mimi's World, and all of the other beautiful co-hosts that joined in to make this day fun on Wreaths Galore. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.